Hey everyone, today we're doing an unboxing. Alright everyone. So this includes a promo Rayquaza EX non-dragon type, but surprisingly a basic and type. Now I know I don't do Pokemon unboxing on my channel a lot, but I've recently gotten into it a lot more. And I'm probably going to send in one of these cards to, what's it called? Oh yeah, PSA. So, this is the Rayquaza. It has Mega Ascension and Aero Scream. Aero Scream, 130 damage, and Mega Ascension search for the Mega Rayquaza EX. Very doubtful that I'm going to get it. Now we're going to move the camera back over here. I know, it's jumping around everywhere. Alright. So, we got one. Okay, never mind. You guys can see it. 1, 2, 3. Put it up 2. Okay. So we got a Cascoon. You already saw that. Inkay. All these are commons, I believe. Yeah. Voltorb. Spearow. Natu. Mega Turbo. That is a cool name. That's an uncommon. Spearow, uncommon. This, Skyfield. I'm not looking at the last card, but this is a reverse hollow healing scarf. And a rare Bennett. Alright. That wasn't the best. I'm gonna be honest. But yeah, by the way, I'm gonna give away all the codes at the end. So, just for the trading card game online, because I don't play it. Oh, wait, crap. Guys, 1 second. I got a Skype text. 1 second, Alright, sorry about that, everyone. So, we can open. Come on. Do I need to call McDonald's on you? The McDonald's? This one definitely isn't getting sent into PSA. These ones are gonna get beaten up from me trying to freaking. Oh, sorry about that. Alright, everyone. So, let's just continue this. I totally freaking hung up on that guy. Alright, so. Next, we are going. Crap card. Oh, sorry, guys. So, next. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. You are all seeing the rare. Oh god, crap. Okay, I swear to god, if there's an EX or full art there. Volbeat. Nose Pass. Spinda. Mudkip. Solrock. Nidoqueen. Macargo. Kakuna. Ribeiro. Reverse Hollow. and a hollow Medicham. Alright. Okay, pulls. I'm happy with that Medicham. Hashtag that Medicham life. Sorry. Oh, I swear to God, if he still texts me. Alright, this one might be going to PSA, because, God. This one is getting pulled up very, very freaking carefully. Alright, crap card. Aren't seeing the codes till the... Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Oh. Swablu. Pinov. Bagon. He's pretty cool. Talo. Gallade Spirit Link. Electrike. Dragonair. Switch. Oh god, this is my third Unfezant. This is a different one, but this is my second Reverse Hollow one, but still a different type. Reverse Hollow Unfezant. And a rare, non-hollow, non-reverse Victini. That one, I'm gonna admit, was pretty crap. Victini kinda sucks. I might put in the Victini, though, to PSA. Oh, sorry, everyone. We'll have to look at that Victini. It looks good condition. I'm just gonna try and keep that safe. And Phantom Forces. Alright, let's try and open this one safely, too. Oh god, you can tell how safe I'm opening this. And we're starting off the pack good. I just saw the first freaking card. Crap card. Everyone, this is Frillish. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Frillish. I'm not going to show you it now. Venonat, Chansey, Pumpkaboo, Goomy, Furfro, Stop Calling Me, Fearow, Lindrace's trump card. Oh! That's a good card. A reverse hollow type DNC. That's a legendary. Come on. And for the more good pulls, a hollow Gigalith. Oh my god. That's a hella yeah. Woo! Alright. We're going to put these down. Get out all of these boosters. And then tell you all the rares one more time. So, here's the first one. Let this focus. Sorry, everyone. Alright, that was the first one. This is the second one. Wait, by the way, the first one was a Primal Clash booster. Second one was Phantom Forces booster. Here's a Roaring Skies booster. By the way, I got that Gigalith and Phantom Forces. Here is another Roaring Skies booster. Just in case. By the way, the Roaring Skies booster, I forget what it gave me. I think that was either the Victini and the Medicham, or something with the Bayonet. Or the Bayonet. And finally, the Pokemon trading card game Rayquaza EX Box. That's how you get this card in the game. after I show it, I will read it out. Because PRW dash 3AND dash B78 dash LMP. One more time showing the code. Let it focus. That's good. Wait. Good. Okay. And finally, I know, there's a lot. This will make all the little kids pee themselves. The Jumbo Mega Rayquaza. Ah. I'll see you all next time. Bye.